Okay. So I'm sharing you one of your batchmates designs, which as a part of the research, just to keep you updated and give you some examples. The designs that I'm showing you right now on the screen are, are not up to the mark, and these designs will definitely not going to sell. The reason being is there is some formula that you need to understand, guys. Before you finalize a design, right? You need to understand a small formula which I wanted to train you today. The formula is called a 4S formula. Okay, where maybe this formula will make you much more updated, and will also make sure that you get good number of good designs to work on. Okay, so let me tell you that particular formula today. The formula is called 4S formula. So if you are on the design research still, maybe this will help you out. 4S formula. Okay, in this 4S formula, the first S, okay, first S stands for simple. Okay, second S stands for sentence. Sentence, and this sentence should be at least 4+ words. Okay, the sentence should be at least 4+words. Okay, and third S stands for should evoke some emotion or humor, something like that. That is very much important. And 4S should have a specific audience, that is targetable, specific target and scalable, which can be scaled. That is specific order or specific target means that particular T-shirt design, that particular T-shirt niche should have a good number of audience, maybe millions, so that we can scale. We can easily scale that particular T-shirt and get some good number of sales. So whenever you're trying to do it, make sure that you concentrate on this simple. At least it should have a sentence on the T-shirt. Should evoke some emotion or a humor or a specific target and scalable. It should be scalable. So these are the 4 A's that you need to concentrate on. Okay. Sir, I have shared my designs. Can you please analyze some designs? Balaji, let me check it from you. Okay. Just give me a second. I guess you send me an email, right? Just give me a second. Let me find out. Balaji, can you send me a mail again, please? I'm not able to see that. Can you please send me a mail again? I'm unable to see that. Please check my designs I have shared in WhatsApp. Oh, WhatsApp, okay. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, I got a Google document here. Okay, I'm requesting access. Just give me the access. I just requested the access. Just give me the access so that I can go ahead and did you give me the access? Did you get an email? Okay. Okay, let's talk about these designs from Balaji. Okay. LGBT dad, dog, auntie, world-based auntie square. My wife has. Okay, let's talk about these designs, guys. Let's talk about these designs. Okay, is this T-shirt simple? Yes, this is T-shirt is simple. Does it has got 4 sentence? Yes, it has got specific audience. Yes, it is on an emotion. Yes, but I'm not able to judge this particular design is working fine or not, because it's not making me a wow. Okay, I'm not able to say wow to this particular design. This is definitely not going to sell. This definitely is not going to sell. My wife has an awesome husband. Yes, this is going to sell, but what I tell you here is this particular design may be saturated. Maybe this particular design is saturated. That is saturated means maybe more number of people already maybe advertise this design. This is an old saying, right? My wife has an awesome husband or something like that. Dad of girls, no, this is not going to sell. This is not going to sell. Okay, no, no, I'm 99% sure my soulmate is a dog. No, less people, more dogs. I just want to be stay-at-home dog's mom. What I suggest you right now here is don't be dog shipping niche. These are saturated niches. Okay, dog shipping, sorry, ship fishing. These are saturated niche. Okay. This looks good. I just want to drink beer and hang out with my bloodhound. Okay, this looks good. In a simple yes, it is having fourth list sentence. Yes, it is it is evoking some sort of emotion. Yes, it is specific and scalable. Yes. Okay, so these type of designs are going to sell a lot. Property of my hot wife. Oh, this is good. I'm liking this. Engage. Okay. Kiss whoever you want. Okay. This is okay. This one is an oldest design. It's not going to sell a lot now. Proud of my daughter. Okay. I'm the nicest asshole you have ever met. This one example I give to my students. So, okay, only 3, 4 designs are good. The rest has to be updated again. Okay, so that's what I told you, right? That's what I told you. What is the number that you have mentioned before every participant's name in your phone book? That's my code word. Okay, you saw my WhatsApp, I guess, right? Okay, you saw my WhatsApp, I guess, and you Amit will be under the name of 77219 Amit Gupta. Okay, so yeah, that's my code word for to my students. I'll give it to my students. Okay, so let's do this, guys. So my designs. WhatsApp. I will check the WhatsApp again. Okay, I am crazy uncle. You have weird stories about. Yes, this is good. I'm liking it. Just check if this four is formula is working fine with you. First is simple. Second is should have four plus sentence at least. And the third is should evoke some sort of emotion. And the fourth is should be specific and scalable. It should have some sort of audience. Sorry. It should have some sort of audience and scalable with a lot of audience so that after you getting sales ready, you can scale it up. Okay, cool and awesome since 1980. Not that great design. Best and ever, no. On your marks, get set, bake. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, no. And the crazy uncle. Okay, pain is temporary, pride is forever. This is great. This is great. Okay, you can go ahead with this design. Yeah, some designs, 2 or 3 designs are okay. 4 or 3 designs are okay. Okay. How advanced is to go with already sold design? Should we take chance with the new stuff? How to check if the design is not saturated? It's only testing. It's only we have to test a lot of designs. Then only we can say if this design is working for us or not. Some of the designs are there which are evergreen designs. Okay, which are evergreen designs. Like, I can show you some examples. Just give me some time. I can show you some examples which are evergreen designs which sell a lot. Okay, these designs can be experimented, and definitely if you are if you're having a creative mindset, right? Okay, uh, let me check. If you have creative mindset, right, and definitely I guess you will be able to take these designs as well. Okay, so filters, search by country. Let's target United States. Okay, right, sort by number of shares. Okay, let me talk about 1,000. right? Search by, okay, just type in F. Okay, now find out some t-shirts. Yes, see this. These t-shirts are good t-shirts. These are good t-shirts, right? So if you can see this, April girls are sunshine mixed with a little hurricane or something like that. If you can see this, these are some sort of evergreen designs that you can check here. Okay, last scene. Let me newest. Okay, let me check newest. Let me search for this. There's an old ad, 2018 ad. Okay, these are newest ads that you can able to see right now. Let me find some t-shirts here. Let me take the question. What was that? We look for bestseller or the ones which we have more number of sales. It is what we look parameter. Yes, bestsellers and good number of sales. Both should work. Both should work. But nobody can guarantee you that this particular t-shirt will get you number of sales. It's only testing process that we need to do. Okay, let me type in April Born. See this. I was talking about these type of t-shirts. See this. I was talking about these type of t-shirts. Okay, this is very latest. This is very latest, and let me go to shows. And these type of t-shirts are evergreen. Birthday t-shirts are evergreen. Fashion-oriented t-shirts are evergreen. So these can be tested, and if you're enough lucky, maybe from today itself you can get good number of sales. But make sure that you have some sort of creativity here. Okay, it is also providing some sort of emotion, if you can see. Okay, so let me type in the newest. Check the newest comment so that you also get confidence that these particular designs are fresh designs. Okay, newest is 6 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 4 weeks. You can see 1 week ago. Okay, sorry, newest. 1 week ago, don't do it. I ordered 4 of them mid-time in February and still haven't received them. April may come and go before I get them. The month of March did. You will regret my birthday on April 24th. I have plan of buying my April t-shirts. You can see this. Okay, so see this. So people are actually not happy with the service, but if you can see this, if you can see this, there are positive comments because I like that shirt on my birthday on April 15th. I love to get 32 replies. 1982, I hear you. See this. Every boy, April Super, thank God offers, God bless you. So this is what you need to check. See. So people are loving this type of t-shirt. So these type of t-shirts sell a lot. These are evergreen t-shirts, right? And uncle t-shirt, okay. Uncle t-shirt. I'll find you. Go fishing tomorrow. No. Okay. You can type in beard. Okay. Beard t-shirts also do good. Okay. Let me type beard t-shirt. Beard. You need to use effective. You have effective usage of filters here, anyways. Check this out. I was talking about these type of things. See, I was talking about this. This is very much latest. Okay, this I'm pretty much confident these particular t-shirts will get good number of sales. Sure, Jim. This t-shirt will get definitely get good number of sales here. Okay, Amazon Pay and Stripe also prefers a more product payment in US. Yes, people do a lot of PayPal is much more good. This is also good. So you need to have these type of t-shirts, man. You need to have these type of t-shirts so that you get good number of sales. So these type of t-shirts are evergreen t-shirts. Just concentrate on 4S that I shared with you today. The first S is simple. Second is sentence. Third S should have should some sort of emotional humor, and this is specific, target, and it should be scalable. So if you're able to get all these 4S in a row, right, then definitely make some sense. I guess I'm clear till here. Let me know in the chat box. Am I clear till here? Yes in the chat box. No in the chat box. Clear? So you got some confidence on how to find the new design right now. Okay, that's great. Okay. And guys, if you're not able to find 20 designs, start with at least 10 designs. Okay, I'm telling you again, start with 10 designs. Let me share the screen again. Okay. Start with 10 designs which you think are winning products. Start with 10 designs, and now these 10 designs should come from 5 niches. 5 niches, that is into 2 designs in each niche. Okay, 2 designs. Start with this at least. If you're not able to make 20, start at least with 10 designs, 5 niches into 2 designs each. That corresponds to 10 designs. So I want you guys to start at least with 10 designs. And the t-shirts that I gave you can be used as fillers, or you can populate the store. So with that, is it clear? Is it clear with these guys? Is it clear with this? Start with 10 designs. Okay, forget about 20. If you are much more afraid of investing money there, okay. How many of you are afraid of investing money in getting designs done? Let's talk truth. Let's talk honesty. Okay, how many of you are afraid of investing money in getting the t-shirts done? Let me know in the chat box soon, guys. Soon. So make it soon. Me in the chat box if you are afraid. No in the chat box if you are not afraid. Okay. Me in the chat box if you are afraid. Danny says no. Balaji says me. Balaji is afraid. Danny says no. He is not afraid. Next. Guys, come on. Do it fast. No. But what's stopping you? That's what I'm asking you. What's stopping you? Get your designs done. Start, man. Don't procrastinate. Start. Okay. Anyways, if you're afraid of 20 designs, just get 10 designs made. Okay. Just make 10 designs made, and I want you guys to start as early as possible. Okay. Right. So the point of discussion today, let's start it right now. Let's start Facebook right now. Or is it okay? Shall I start Facebook right now? Or if you want some more time to populate, or want some more time to get your designs done, or will Fuel charge a single shipping cost for multiple items in a single order, or it's otherwise uh, charge a single shipping cost for multiple? No, it does not charge you. I will charge $2 or $1 extra if I'm not wrong. I'll show you. I'll show you that. Let me address you that. Get Fuel POD is the website. Okay. So for extra, where is Help Center? Just go to Help Center. Okay. Let's start with shipping here. Okay, shipping rates. Sorry. Shipping price for each and every extra second item outside USA, first item outside USA, $4 they take, $4. Second item within USA, that is they take extra dollar to process the shipping. $4 for the first item. If that particular shipping contains one more item, they charge only $1 for shipping. But in your case, you can charge $2. I'm going to tell you the $1 lakh pricing formula later. Okay, I'm going to tell you how do you acquire 1 lakh rupees as early as possible using a small strategy that I'm going to share you later. Okay. Okay, if you want me to start Facebook right now, I'm going to start Facebook right now. Type in FB in the chat box if you want me to start Facebook. I wanted to see FB in the chat box. FB in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. But promise me as well that you're going to complete your stores, because I starting FB and you're not going to do the stuff. That's a lot of pain, right? So okay, anyways, maximum people said yes, FB. I'm going to go with that. So Facebook, very simple. Let me start from starting. How do you create a page and all? So so here it is. Just go here, have a plus sign here, and just go to create a page first. Okay, give your page name here if you can. It's here. Give a page name here, like Corel Store, for example, and just start. Corel Store category is a clothing brand. Okay, just write the description. What exactly? I'm going to share the description as well. Do not worry about this. I'm going to share the description. Just update your logo and update your this thing. What do you say? Cover page, whatever you call it. Okay, right? And after that, just click on create page. Created. Okay, that's great. Okay. Now it's asking me to add some more details. If you can see this, profile picture, cover photo has to be added. Just to save it. Just save it. Okay, and do not enter your personal details there. If you upsell and sell a package of three or more, we charge $4 plus $1 plus $1 or so on and flat $5 plus. I'm going to tell you that, Amit. I'm going to tell you when I talk about shipping prices and all. Because the store name important, I'm still confused whether my store name would appeal to the audience. The store name is very important. How to maintain same page to Shopify? Just put your URL there. Just put your URL. Okay. Just put your URL there. Okay. Do not update any phone number or something like that, guys. Okay. Do not put any of your this thing. But if it insists, just do that. Okay. If it insists, just do that. Okay. 3 steps left. Add all this. Okay. Page name is done. Category is done. Introduce your page. Okay. Give all the details here. Give all the details here. If you can see this, you start giving all the details here. And do not invite your own friends on Facebook. Okay. Not invite your own friends on Facebook. Just work on this particular page creation as of now. Right. After you create a Facebook page, right, then slowly what you're going to do here is you're going to go to the other thing. Okay. Creating FB business. Okay. Then what you need to do here is the first part is, okay, let me type in here. Let me type in here. The first important point is creating a Facebook page. Okay. Creating a Facebook page. Okay. FB ads. Create a Facebook page. Okay. Give all the details required. Okay, the second one is create a business account and then in business account create an ad account. Okay, this is the process that you need to do. This is the process that you need to start working on. Okay, can every page location be USA? You can do that, but I object that. Don't do that. If you use a old personal ID, yes, you can use the old personal ID and start working. Do we need to give the Facebook name specific or niche? Bhushan, I was actually thinking that you will ask this question. Different people do it in different way, but I want you guys to build a brand. So Facebook page should be on a brand name. Okay, let me write it here. Facebook page should be a brand name. Here, what we're doing here is we are trying to build a brand, right? Trying to build a brand. So I want you guys also to I want you also guys to create a brand Facebook on Facebook. Okay, so questions clear. I want you guys to go ahead and start working with Facebook. So this is done. Now let's do this. Let's do this. That is create a business account. How do you do? How do you do that? I'm not able to create my business account because my Facebook is now suspended. Okay, I'm in a war with Facebook right now. I'm in a war with Facebook right now. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, go to Ads Manager. Yeah, account gets suspended for months as well. I'm going to share the script as well. Use that script and go for an appeal on Facebook. Okay. So why Facebook is nasty, man? How do you deal with? I'm going to change the script. I'm actually going to share you a script. Use that script, and maybe you're going to love it. Okay. Anyways, how do you do that? Just go ahead and just type in here Facebook Business Manager. Okay. Just click on this, and it will ask you to create a business manager account, guys. You ask you to create a business manager account here onto the right side top. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. Just click on this and continue the process. Okay, it'll ask you to then create an ad account. Just click on that and continue the process. So here it is. Just you need to type in Facebook business page, sorry, business manager for this. Facebook business manager. Create a business manager account and then your own account. So that has to be done. Okay. How to validate my store name? Can I send it to you? Yeah, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. Personally, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. So this is what you need to do as of now. Just go ahead and create your page first, and after that, just create a Facebook business business account, business manager account, and an ad account on it. Okay. Clear till here. Let me know in the chat box. Yes, clear till here. Let me know in the chat box. Just type in clear in the chat box if you are clear till here. Okay. This is what you need to do, guys. This is what you need to do till this. We have to do, and we are going to meet again tomorrow. But I'm really still afraid. Okay, I'm still really afraid. I do not know you guys are working or your designs are great. How to send any website with password? Just send me on WhatsApp personally. Okay. I don't know if you guys are really working there. I'm not able to get any response from you guys. The other best students was good, man. I don't know why this batch is doing this. Where can I find the password? Go to preferences. On the left side bottom, we'll have some called as preferences. Click on online store. Click online store. Instead of tomorrow, can we have it on day after? Yes, you can have it on day after. Or day after Saturday. Let me think. Let me check my schedule and I'll get back to you. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm telling you once again, start working. Just start with 10 designs at least. Okay. I got a response that you're not afraid of spending money there. Just at least go with 10 designs. We'll see how this works. Okay, we'll see how this works. And just start creating your Facebook pages and a cover page and start working on business manager accounts. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I'm going to meet you again. I'm going to give the details there. I'm going to give the details there. Anyways, I'm going to meet you. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Bye bye.